Hi everyone, here with my second video for my second website building assignment. So this one is for the HTML using CSS. We'll open, and here is the site, which using CSS, there's a lot more, I would say, I guess, steps involved, because there's a lot more to do to make it look snazzy, I guess you can say. So as one of my 3 things that I could add, I did a text shadow. Here's the margin that I added for the entire site. I kind of did that by accident, but it worked nonetheless. My second thing, I added padding, and here is the border per the rubric. I added the background color of coral. Here's my font size. I did some of them pretty dramatic just because I wanted anyone to be able to tell that I did make them different sizes on purpose. So some of them are going to be really small and some of them are going to be really large. The font that I did here from the, I guess, font family, and just italicizing and changing some of the font styles, adding different colors to my headers, and also to the paragraphs. I did that all up here. Italicize, and then the line breaks. There's my text from before. All the meat of the entire site is the same as my HTML. I just added things to it, like colors and fonts and things like that. But all the wording and everything is still the same. Here I did change this up. I aligned all of my text to the left. When we open the site, you'll see that everything up here is center aligned. But I decided that I wanted to keep the reasons aligned to the left, so I did that at the very end. So we'll just go ahead and open the site so you can see what I did. I'll drag that to Google. And here's my site. And you can see that I did the shadow. Here is the padding and the border. I kept my line, and I centered with the margin. Everything is centered in the middle. Changed all the color of the font. Here you can see this header is significantly smaller than my first one, so I went pretty dramatic. Like, this one is very small. I just did that for fun. Everything is still functional. I didn't change anything from the HTML, so just so you can see, it's still functional. And I like it better with the center margin. I think it looks a lot cleaner and a lot more fun. That's what I really like about using CSS. It was a lot trickier, but the overall presentation of the site, I think it looks a lot better compared to the first one. And so here I made the font a lot larger, as again, so you can see the difference, which I can't get over this site, but enough of that. So here is my second site, and I guess we'll just open the other one really quick. Just, oh no. So you can see how different my first one is from my second one, just using HTML and then using CSS. So it looks way better. And I think once you get the, I guess you can call them formulas down, and you just have your overall meat of your website or the information that you want to display, the rest is a lot more fun because you can be really creative with things like this compared to how it looked here. Everything looks very flat and boring, and when you get here, it has a lot more life and body to it. So it was a lot of fun. So as always, thank you for watching, and if you have any comments, tips, questions, or anything like that, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks.